back with another CSA haul. This one is the beginning of July, so I'm going to do it a little differently. I'll just take it out of the box. So it's a little bit dark today, overcast, so hopefully you can see all this is a nice big head of green leaf lettuce. And we have some more garlic scapes. And actually the other ones that I had, I cut these up into pieces and froze them so I could use them in stir fries and things like that as the time goes on, because I didn't want to obviously waste anything or have anything rot, which has happened before, unfortunately. But okay, so there's a bunch of garlic scapes. And we have a nice big head of Boston, I think it's a Boston lettuce, or maybe it's a butter bib lettuce, I'm not sure which, but that's good. So I haven't had to buy lettuces, salad makings in a while, so that's helpful. Nice thing of dinosaur kale. And we've got a nice big head of, or big bunch of Swiss chard. It looks like the, not the rainbow kind, the other kind. Ruby red, or I don't know what the name of it is. I have some carrots. I have some beets, and the beet greens actually look really good, so I might cut those up and use that in a quiche or a saute them. And I have some cilantro. Yes, cilantro. And it looks like I've got some radishes there. Some red potatoes. Yeah, so I have a nice big bunch of radishes, and we love radishes. I slice them really thin and put them on salads. You can slice them and just have a little salt and pepper on them. You could pickle them, and in fact I just did a pickled recipe. It's a quick pickled recipe of a whole bunch of different vegetables. I will show you that recipe in just a second. Okay, and then I have a small bunch of, let me see. Oh, this is arugula. I just had to smell it. Oh, it smells so good. We love arugula in this household. And I have one big garlic. And here's the whole stalk with it. So that'll be interesting. I don't think I've seen it. I've seen it just as the bulb. Usually I get it, or I get the garlic scapes that are like the tops of the early kind of garlic. And that's it. So my bunch of greens again and a few potatoes. So I know that things will increase. We'll get a few more variety of things as the time goes by, but I'm really happy to see the kale. All right, hope you enjoyed this, and let me show you the pickled vegetables. Hold on. All right, I'm back, and here's the pickled vegetables. Obviously we ate half of it already, but it was really, really easy and very tasty. I will show you the recipe. Here's a shot of it. Of course, I'm going to have to reprint this because I didn't realize the bench is all wet. I didn't end up having, it actually called for cauliflower, which I didn't have, so I substituted some cucumbers and some radishes, but it was excellent. So if anyone's interested, I think, I forget, I first saw it on someone else's YouTube video, and then she linked the recipe. So that's where I got the recipe from, and if I can find her name, the YouTuber's name, I will link it below in the comments. So anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for, oh yes, my table is disintegrating. Actually, before you go, here's a quick view of the veggies in the pots. I haven't produced a whole lot. And there's that. We are redoing, see our giraffe wall. My husband covered that up with white grout, and then we're going to cover it with more white so it blends in instead of the giraffe look. I don't think giraffe walls are in anymore. My tomatoes here are not doing too great. They really haven't, well, they're not dying, but they're just not growing. So. And my last few that I transplanted. So anyway, that's it, and there's my mint. My mint is getting larger. I probably have to transplant that into my last bigger bucket. Hope you enjoyed watching, and thanks for visiting. Please like and subscribe. All right, bye.